Do you know that you can as well become a successful, profitable trader? Only if you can give me a chance to talk to you about forex. I understand that you have been a losing trader for a very long time in this forex business. You have met different people and they didn't give you what you want. So you gave up and say forex is a scam. No, forex is not a scam. Forex is a skill until you learn to understand that. And for you to learn how to ride a bicycle, you must do what? For you to start riding a bicycle, you must learn how to ride it. The same thing with forex. Many people think that forex is just something you can just jump in and start making money. No, you need to learn it. And another way is that if you meet the wrong people that will train you, you will always be a losing trader. Okay, so before you go for any training, somebody that will train you must see the person live, whether that person is being impacted with what he or she is doing. Forex is good, but the problem many people are having is they don't meet the right people at the right place. All these people that goes out there tell you want sweet talk, this, that, this, that. First observe and then see. Now, the truth I will tell you is that go for knowledge. If you go for knowledge, you will be free as a forex trader. And if another thing is once you start practicing, always learn to do back testing. Like all these trades that we are, it's based on experience and knowledge. If you want to be part of us, you can join us at CJ Forex, where we'll train you wherever you are. Our training is online. We don't do offline training. It's an online Zoom training where you will learn how to become a profitable. If you're an old trader, within 3 weeks or 2 weeks, you will become strong. It depends on how you are fast in learning. Then if you're a beginner, for at least 4 weeks, you are good to go. But our training is a 7 weeks course, and that's the basic and intermediate. You will be learning 3 times every week, and we'll be spending 3 hours per class at the end of the day. But once we enter advanced class, we will not be taking, because most of the training will become practical. So you have to practice and back test and other things for you to be able to master. Because in our practical class, you will see me do the same thing and make profit. I will give you assignment, you go and do that same thing and you make profit. All the things I'm going to teach you in forex is very simple things. It's not just it's not big grammar. I'm not that type that likes speaking big grammar, but I will give you the results. I love giving results. I don't like talking too much. I don't like showing people this, that. No, I will show you the results and you will see, you will do it too, and also get the result by yourself, and that is it. So then within the weeks, you will be trained on basic, intermediate, advanced, masters, and mentorship. Then another one is that why we call our training, our academy, and our institution earning and learning, is that we have other services that we offer for those of you who have been consistent losing in your trade and your psychology is being affected. That is why we decided to bring out standard robots. We also have standard robots. Standard robot in the sense that it cannot blow your accounts, and this robot gives you results and you can be confident in what you are doing. So we have standard robots for different ranges of people, for big, for small, and for medium. It depends on the kind of person you are. You want to make a certain amount, the robots are there. Our robots are quality and work with risk management. Our robot may be between 25 to 90-80% monthly, depends on the market movement. Okay, now we also have indicator. That indicator, many of you have seen it in our Telegram group, WhatsApp group, Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. This indicator, what it does is that it gives you alert, and this indicator was designed by world standard companies. So it gives you alert when to buy and where to put your entry point, your stop loss, and you can use it to scalp. For those of you that love scalping, you can use it to day trade, swing trade, and position trade. So these indicators just came up like 7-8 months ago. If you need it, you get it wherever you are. You order for it, we'll guide you on how to do it, install it, and use it on your phone or on your laptop. Sorry, it doesn't work on phone. Then we also have a cash flow strategy. You can see all these are trades that are in profit. Many of them we use cash flow strategy to enter it, and I want you to find your way and be part of our cash flow strategy. Get it and install it and watch it, and then set it on your phone or laptop. You can use cash flow strategy on any asset class. You can use it to trade volatility. You can see all this trade. There is crude here. You can see we have crude, we have gold, we have all of them. They are all in profit, my dear. So you find your way and subscribe to get the cash flow strategy. It's a video setting and a guidance on how the strategy works. If you get it, you install it. The cash flow strategy is very cheap, so you can get it and start using it. Okay. Then we also have investment package. On our investment package is where managers will be assigned to manage your account. But before we manage your account, you will pay a membership fee. Okay, so a membership fee of $500 for you to be part of our investment package. Then once you have done that, you fund your account. At least we manage from $500 and above. Let's say you fund $1,000, and at the end of the day, at the end of the month, we made $700 profit on top of the $1,000. We are only entitled to 10%. That means whatever profit we make for you at the end of the month, we only entitled to 10%. The money is in your account. It's you that will be paying us our percentage. We did not say you should give us your money for what? For us to manage. We don't say you should send the money to us. The money is in your account. So once we are managing, if you don't like what we are doing, you can change your password. So one sweet thing is that we always like being plain to clients so that they will have power over their money. Another one is our VPS. Many people are in our VPS. Even some people that owns their own group, they copy our signal. But these are all our signals from our VPS. You can see it here now. People like our signal because our signal is very profitable. You too can also as well be copying our signals and use it to be trading for yourself. If you want to be part of our signal, you subscribe, monthly subscription or lifetime subscription. subscription. Don't forget, in the forex market, the secret lies in meeting the right people at the right place. And you don't need to know everything in the forex. The few ones you know, the few ones that give you good results. Because so many people know a lot in the forex, but their life is not impacting, it's not showing. So the ones you know is the one that the little one I know, that I feel I know that is giving me good result like this, I will show it to you, and you will become a successful trader. You can buy car this year, you can build your house this year, you can do whatever thing you wish to do this year, if only you go for knowledge. If you only go for knowledge, you will make the right decision. Don't forget, no matter how much you know, if you don't apply that, you don't know anything. So there is a wise word that says, good message can never make good people. It is good decision. So you that is listening to me, or you just saw this video on Facebook, on Twitter, or wherever you've seen it, and you just see it and pass, you are the enemy of your own success, not that juju in your village. Nobody is hurting you. It is you that is against yourself. Thank you. Don't forget, if you make the right decision, you will live happy end. Thank you once again. My name is Chirimen Kujosi. I'm the admin of CJ